This is my first video and I'm going to do a fidget pack review on Amazon. It was 21 something and it said it wouldn't come for a long time and then they surprised me with it. First we have this stress ball. It's red and it has snow. Then we have the marble mash. It is green, pink, and white.
I'm going to be unboxing it up here on the table before I see you open it.
Okay.
And then, that's cool. What does that do?
You push the marble up and down, and it can, these toys can relieve stress. And then we have a mochi. It's like a dragon. Never had one, but I have a lot. And then we have a snake. I have no clue how this goes. I guess you just twist it. We have another marble mash. It's kind of dark. It's kind of brownish, blackish, and yellowish. How do you...
Just place these right here. These are fidgets.
Yeah.
These are things that kids are into these days. They do exactly what they say. You fidget with them. So if you're bored or if you have anxiety or stress, you can relieve it with these toys. And they're really good collectibles. And they're really cute and fun.
Also, with the marble mashes, you can bend them and all that kind of stuff. But be careful because they can break easily. We have, I think, one more marble mash. And it is orange, blue, and green. Yeah, and you already know what that does. Oh, and we have a bike chain. I can get it open. You can twist and turn, and also the rubber bands on it, you can feel them and move them up, and you can twist them. Then we have a thing which is called Simple Dimple, and among us it's very popular. So you pop them, and they come on the other side, and you can keep on popping them like that. And then we have another one, which is a black one. Then we have a poppet. It's an apple rainbow poppet. It's kind of smaller than my other poppets. But you pop it like that, and like the simple dimples, they go on the other side, but they kind of make more noise.
It's really pretty colors.
Yeah.
It's rainbow.
And then we also have these stretchy noodles. You can tie them in knots, and they're very, very stretchy. We got a pink one, we have a green one, and a yellow one. Then we have what's called a wacky track, and this thing can connect. You can push it. And you can squish it and make it all kind of shapes.
It's really fun to fiddle with.
Also, we have this. It's, you squeeze it with one hand and it makes that noise. I never had one of these. Or the snake. They're very new to me. And then we have, last but not least, we have pressure rings. What you can do with them, you put them on your finger and you roll them. And I have one gray one and one gold one.
And all of this come in one pack together for around $20 on Amazon. So I think you get a really good deal for all that you are getting in the package.
Yeah, very great. All of them is great texture, and I really love it. And I think that's it. And my favorite are the poppet and the simple dimples. And I really love whatever this thing's called. And that's all we have for today.
And this is her first video. Anything else you want to add?
Bye.